So here we are back at the Happ residence, pressure testing the return lines on the pool. And you can see we have the gauge at approximately 22 psi. Now I'm going to raise it to 25. Whoop, 25. We raised it to 30. Now I'm at 30 psi. It's dropping just a little bit. And you can certainly see the difference between this and the skimmers. The skimmers are really in bad shape. This return line is leaking slightly. Could be a joint, for example. But a problem with the return line leak is it's under pressure. And so, unlike a skimmer line, which is a vacuum line, a return line is a pressure line. And it will leak profusely with a small leak, whereas a skimmer won't leak with a small leak unless it's a big leak, which this pool has a big leak in the skimmers. So that's how that gauge is dropping slowly. And we walk around, all the returns are plugged on the pool, and I'm double checking the air plug over on the filter site to make sure that's not leaking. You can see that line is very tight. Yeah. It's just going down slightly. We'll go back to the gauge and check it out. What happened, Chris?
The higher the pressure, the faster it's...
Well, okay, but let's leave it alone for a moment. Let's see how quickly it drops.
It got down to about 26 and I bumped it to 30 again.
Okay. Yeah, it's dropping a little bit. You know, if I left this overnight, it would, or even an hour or two, it would be down to zero. At some point. I mean, it's not leaking profusely, but it's leaking nonetheless. And as I said, this is a pressure line, so it's going to lose water through this line. And okay, I think that makes the point.